What would I do with exactly $1,000 today? Stick with me, because I am going to show you how to turn that small sum into the foundation of real wealth. No gimmicks, no hype, just a simple portfolio that is beginner-friendly, practical, and backed by experts. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, get notice anytime I drop a new video. But first, we need to clear one big roadblock, which is your current debt. If that $1,000 is sitting in your account while you have high-interest debt hanging over you, like credit cards charging 20%, stop right there. Why? Because no investment on earth will beat a 20% guaranteed loss. Paying off that debt first is not just advice, it is maths. Once that is out of the way, your $1,000 is finally ready to work for you. First, you need to create a safety net. I would carve out $200 to $300 and park it in a high-yield savings account. These accounts pay around 5% interest right now, which crushes the 0.01% most banks still offer. It is risk-free and FDIC insured, which means your money is safe. And best of all, you can grab it instantly when life throws you a punch. This is your emergency buffer. It is peace of mind that keeps you in the investing game. Instead of forcing you back into debt every time your car breaks down. Once you have that shield, now we build the engine. Investment is the core of this engine. Take the biggest slice, $500 to $600, and put it into an S&P 500 index ETF, ideally inside a Roth IRA or 401k. Here is why. With a single purchase, you are instantly invested in the 500 biggest companies in America, like Apple, Microsoft, Google, you name it. It is diversified, low cost, and historically returns around 10% a year long term. And inside a Roth IRA, that growth is tax-free forever. Additionally, if you consistently invested just $500 a month for 30 years, you would have over $1 million. But here is the kicker. You only put in about $200K. The other $800K, that is compounding doing the heavy lifting. This is why the S&P 500 is the core of wealth building. It is boring, it is steady, and it works. But maybe you're thinking, what if I don't want to manage ETFs myself? Or what if I want something more personal? That is where the last step makes all the difference. The last investment, I call it the accelerator. With the final $100 to $300, you have got three smart choices. First option is a robo-advisor. You set it up once, answer a few questions, and boom, it builds and manages a diversified portfolio automatically. It even rebalances for you. Perfect if you do not want the headache of DIY investing. Option 2 is fractional shares. You want to own a piece of Amazon, Apple, or Tesla, but don't have thousands? With fractional investing, $10 is enough. It is an easy way to dip your toes into companies you actually believe in. Another option is investing in yourself. Honestly, this might be the highest return on investment of them all. That $100 could fund a course, new skill, or tool that boosts your income for life. Learn something like AI, coding, or productivity systems, and you could multiply your earning power faster than the stock market ever could. Now, here is what not to do with your $1,000. Do not throw it at meme stocks or crypto hype hoping to get rich overnight. Do not chase penny stocks or hot tips. The people selling you those dreams get rich. You don't. Slow, steady compounding wins every single time. I will give you a secret sauce. One more trick the pros use. It is called dollar cost averaging. Instead of worrying about timing the market, just invest a fixed amount every month. Sometimes you will buy high, sometimes low, but over time, the average cost smooths out. And that is how you beat fear, emotion, and bad timing. So here is your full $1,000 blueprint. $200 to $300 in a high-yield savings account, which is your safety net. $500 to $600 in an S&P 500 ETF inside a Roth IRA, which is your wealth engine. And $100 to $300 in automation, fractional stocks, or self-investment. I call it your accelerator. Do this, and you are not just investing. Rather, you are building a foundation for financial freedom. Now, here is my challenge. Will you let that $1,000 sit and shrink in a bank account, or will you plant it today so it can grow into freedom tomorrow? And if you are serious, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss my next video, because that's when the game really starts.